Hi everyone, I am Michael Babani, in-house sales consultant from Ford Global City. Beside me is a 2020 Ford Transit. Did you know that the Ford Transit was launched in the Philippines with just only one variant? And it only comes with a manual transmission. The Ford Transit is equipped with a 2.2-liter Duratorque diesel engine and a 6-speed manual transmission. It comes with the halogen headlamps, fog lamps, and a daytime running lamps. The rear features a 50-50 split open door setup. The pair can open up to 180 degrees, allowing for maximum space when loading items at the back. Parking sensors in the front and at the back, plus a reverse camera, are also available. The Transit is fitted with a set of 16-inch steel wheels with hubcaps. These brakes can also be found on all 4 wheels. The Transit can fit up to 15 people at a given time, including the driver. And all these seats are equipped with 3-point seat belts. The Transit is priced at $1,999,000 with a cash discount up to $205,000. Or get a Vespa S125 or Piaggio Apicity for free plus discounts and other freebies. So what are you waiting for? Inquire now!